Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc000000f on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to rebuild BCD. Now we have three commands for you. I will share them in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Simply copy paste these three commands and check if it helps. If this doesn't help, then you will obviously have to reset the computer. There's nothing else that can be done. But I guess these will help. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.